inches. This is very good. And look, as you see, this is my backyard already. Let's see. We're seeing about a half an inch right now. This is not the worst part. We're seeing more snow as we go on. Let's see. So we're seeing a lot of snow right now. A lot. It's really heavy right now. Yeah. So take a look over here. The sidewalk. We're seeing a half an inch already here. That's a lot of snow. Sorry about that. Yeah. So I'll take another video and I'll see you. So look at this house. Right, a lot of snow. Okay, as you take a look at this table. This table is full of snow. Alright, see you. I'll make you another video.